Hi there, second graders. I hope you guys are all doing well. By the time this video is up and ready for you to watch, it will be Thursday. This video is going to be a review of our phonics concept for the week, and also we're going to be doing some practice questions for the test tomorrow. So tomorrow you will have your phonics test, and it's unfortunately going to be one of those tricky ones like we had a couple weeks ago, where it really focuses on vowel sounds that match, but sometimes the answer choices look very similar to the word you're supposed to be matching the vowel sound with. However, they don't have matching vowel sounds. So that's why we're going to do some practice questions, and we will also review the concept, and then at the end we will do, well, actually, before we review for the test, we will do a reader's notebook page. So to get ready for this video and the activity we're doing together, please get your reader's notebook out and turn to page 151. Okay, so that is what you will need for the activity. Okay, so this week we're working with the phonics concept, words with AU, AW, A, L, O, and A by itself. All of these vowel pairs make the ah sound, like in the word saw. That is what we're focused on this week. The ah sound, made by the letters AW, AU, AL, O, and just A by itself, okay? The vowel sound is ah, a short O sound, ah, like in saw, okay? So in the word saw, we know that the letters AW at the end stand for the ah vowel sound in saw. All right, to warm up, I will say a word, and then we'll change the vowel sound to make a new word. Listen, the first one is fill. Say the word fill. Now listen as I change the I in fill to ah. My new word is fall. Let's do it together. Say fill. Change the I in fill to ah. What is the word? Fall. Now let's do some more. Change the E in len to ah. The new word is lawn. Change the I in smile to ah. New word is small. Change the I in wick to ah. The new word is walk. Change the A in Dan to ah. The new word is dawn. Last one, change the I in dry to ah. New word, draw. Okay, that was a little phonemic awareness warm up. We're focusing on our ah sound made by these different vowel pairs. And what we're going to do next is our reader's notebook page, page 151. So open your reader's notebook to page 151. The directions here say, write the spelling word that belongs in each group. Okay, so this one's a little bit fun. And then at the bottom, we will write the spelling word that is the opposite of the given word. What do we call opposite words? Those are called antonyms. So we are going to be focusing on spelling and also one of our grammar concepts, reviewing one of our grammar concepts. So first one, number one, wood tree. Wood tree. Do we spot a word from our spelling word list that can go with wood and tree? Yes, that word is log. In the word log, the O makes the ah sound. Log, log. Okay, number two, foot and hoof. Do we see a word that goes with foot and hoof? We know that humans have feet. Cows have hooves. What is another type of animal foot from this list? That would be paw. Paw. In the word paw, A-W work together to make the ah sound at the end of the word. Number 3, cat, bird. Well, those are two types of animals. Do we have another type of animal in our list? Yep, that would be dog. Dog. In the word dog, the O makes the ah sound. Number 4, heard, touched. Well, I know two things about these words. I know that they're, first of all, in the past tense, meaning they already happened. Heard is the past of hear. Touched is the past of touch. And I also know that these words are senses. One of our senses is to hear, and one of our senses is to touch. Do we see another sense in this list that's in the past tense? That would be saw. Saw is the past tense of see. Oops, excuse me. In the word saw, A-W makes the ah sound. S-ah. Okay, number 5, paint, sketch. These are different ways to do art. You can paint a picture, you can sketch something, you can also draw. Draw is another way to make art. Draw. In the word draw, A-W makes the ah sound. All right, number 6, bat, glove. I know that these are items I need to play baseball. What else would I need from this list? I need a ball. Bat, glove, ball. In the word ball, the A makes the ah sound. B-A-L, ball. So that is an example of a word where A and A-L work to make the ah sound. Number 7, summer, winter. What's another season we have in this list? That would be fall. Fall, like ball, makes the ah sound with the A and the L. Fall. Number 8, shout, yell. What would another word be? If you want to get someone's attention, you can shout, you can yell, or you can call them over. In the word call, the A and the L work to make the ah sound. Finally, number 9, sleep, snore. These words have things to do with being tired. What is another action we do when we're tired? We yawn. In the word yawn, A-W makes the ah sound. Y-ah-n. All right, now we'll move down to our antonym section. Write the spelling word that is the opposite of the given word. So antonyms are opposite words, meaning they do not mean the same thing. Okay, number 10 is hard. What spelling word do we have that's the opposite of hard? Not hard like difficult, but hard like how something feels. That would be soft. The opposite of hard is soft. In the word soft, the O makes the ah sound. Soft. Okay, number 11 says short. The opposite of short is what spelling word? Tall. T-all. In the word tall, the A-L spelling makes the ah sound. T-ah-ul. Number 12. None. What is the opposite of none? That would be number 13 down here, all. You get none or you get all. In all, al works together to make the ah sound. Ah-ul. Okay, number 13. Run, the opposite of run, we see it here, is walk. Run is fast-paced, walk is slow-paced. In walk, we have al coming together to make ah. And our last word is large. That describes the size of something. The opposite of large is small. In the word small, al work together to make the ah sound. Okay, I hope you were able to keep up with that. Now we will go over some example questions to get ready for the test tomorrow. Okay, so when I said it's one of those tricky tests, this is what I mean. It focuses on vowel sounds, okay? And I'll be sure to send this document to your parents as well so that you guys can practice and review it at home. So the test you're going to see tomorrow is going to focus on vowel sounds, not the way a word looks necessarily. What I mean by that is in the word dog, just because the vowel in dog is the letter O doesn't mean we need to look for a word necessarily that also has an O. We know that because this concept this week in phonics was the ah sound, we know that there are many ways to make that sound. We know that AW, AU, AL, O, and A all can make the ah sound. So what we have to do when taking this test is to really be sure we're reading each of the answer choices out loud so we can hear those vowel sounds, okay? So the first question says, which word has the same vowel sound as dog? So I want you to break up the word dog into each of its sounds. D, A, G. In the word dog, the vowel sound is ah. Ah. The letter O is making the ah sound in this word. Let's look at our choices. First choice is rag, ag. In the word rag, the vowel sound is ah. So that is not correct. Ah and ah are not the same. Okay, in answer choice B, I see the letter O. I wonder if this is going to be the match. The word is mold. M-O-L-D. Okay, do we see why this is a bit tricky? The word mold has an O like dog, but they make different sounds. In the word dog, we have the ah sound. In the word mold, we have the O sound. Short O in dog, long O in mold. So that is not a correct match. Let's look at option C. Hawk. H-A-K. Do you hear the ah sound like dog? I do. Because AW can make the ah sound in words. H-A-K, d-a-g. I think C is the correct answer, but we got to read D just to be sure. And D is a bit tricky because it starts with a letter D, just like dog, and it has an O in it, just like dog. This word is door, d-or. Does that have the short O sound like dog? No, that makes the O sound. So our correct answer is C, hawk. H-awk, d-og. All right, let's look at number 2. Which word has the same vowel sound as hall? H-a-ul. In the word hall, A-U is making the ah sound. Ah. So we're looking for a word that also makes the ah sound. First choice is hurt. H-er-t. Nope. This is one of those bossy R words where the R is telling the U to make a different sound. H-er-t. H-ah-ol. Nope, they don't match. B. H-ah-g. Oh, I hear the ah sound in hog. H-ah-g. H-ah-ol. I think that's the right one. Let's make sure by reading the rest of the choices. C. Latch. L-atch. Nope. Chase. Ch-ace. Nope. Our correct answer is B. Hog. Hog and hall both have the ah vowel sound. Number 3. Which word has the same vowel sound as jaw? J-ah. In jaw, A-W is making the ah sound. So we're looking for the ah vowel sound. A, d, ow, n, down. In the word down, we hear the ow sound, not the ah sound. So that's not correct. B, cloth. Cloth. I hear the ah sound, like jaw. Cloth, j-ah. Both make the ah sound. Let's read the rest. Row. O. Nope, that's the long O. And jam. J-a-m. Nope, that is not correct either. Our correct answer is B, cloth. They both have the ah sound. 4. Which word has the same vowel sound as talk? T-alk. In the word talk, the A-L is coming together to make the ah sound. T-alk. So we're looking for the ah sound again. A, tame. T-a-m. Nope, that's long A. B, old. Told. Nope, that's the long O. C, w-a-ol. I hear the ah sound. The A-L is working together to make the ah sound. W-all. T-ok. They both have the ah sound. I think that's the correct answer. Let's look at D. Tell. T-e-ol. That's the short E sound. That does not make the ah sound. C is our answer. Wall and talk make the same sound, vowel sound. Last one for practice. Which word has the same vowel sound as water? W-a-t-er. In the word water, I hear the ah sound made by the letter A. Water. Okay, so I'm looking for the ah sound again. A, salt. S-a-lt. I hear that ah sound again. Salt, water. I think that's the right one. Let's look at the other choices. Wake, wa-ake. Nope, that's a long A. Went, wa-ent. Nope, short E. Last one, face, f-ace. Just like B, face has the long A. The word water has the ah sound, vowel sound, and the word salt has the ah vowel sound. So A is our correct choice. Okie doke, guys, I hope this helps you practice for the test tomorrow. My biggest thing I want to encourage you to do is read out loud all of the answer choices and break up those words into their individual sounds. This will help you identify and find the vowel sound in the word. Because remember, we're focusing on the ah sound this week, but it can be made several different ways by a U, a W, a L, O, and A. All right, guys. Have a great rest of your day and practice, practice, practice. Bye.